Hello, it's Cassie here with Trinity Stamps, and I'm happy to be sharing a product release video for the Autumn Impressions release. Today we're going to be taking a closer look at the brand new Trick or Drink 3x4 stamp set. Halloween cocktail party, anyone? This 3x4 stamp set has 8 punny Halloween sentiments, a great addition to your Halloween cards, especially when paired with the Creepy Cocktails die set. The sentiments are all approximately 3/10 of an inch tall. And I do have a project to share with you. It does use the brand new Creepy Cocktails die, Trick or Drink. Isn't that fun? And I love all those fun puns that are in there. Now let's go ahead and take a look at the rest of the cards that the rest of the design team made. Check out the Trinity Stamps blog, Facebook page, and Instagram for more crafty inspiration. Thanks for stopping by, and I hope you have a great day.